Welcome to Lesson 17, the Capstone Project. You've completed 16 lessons covering every major Foundry capability. Now you're going to bring it all together by building a complete production-grade operations system from scratch. The concepts are the same ones you've practiced, but the scope is larger. The relationships are richer. Here's the scenario. You are the operations manager at a property management company. You manage 35 rental properties, 40 tenants, and 12 field technicians. Every day, tenants submit maintenance requests. You manually check schedules and assign work. By end of week, you're exhausted. Technicians are overloaded and some urgent requests. The capstone has 6 phases, each building on the previous one. By the end, you'll have used every major Foundry capability: data upload, pipelines, ontology, workshop, AIP, automate, code repositories, OSDK, lineage, governance, and permissions. It's a complete end-to-end system. The pyramid shows the stack you're building. At the bottom, raw data from 6 CSV uploads. Each layer adds intelligence. Pipeline enrich it, the ontology models it, applications operationalize it, and external apps let customers interact with it. This is the complete Foundry vision, from raw data to business action. Each phase builds on the previous. You can't build the ontology until you have enriched data. You can't build the dashboard until you have the ontology. This sequencing mirrors how real Foundry projects unfold. By the end, you'll have muscle memory for how to approach a new project from scratch. The capstone is designed to take 4 to 5 days of focused work. It's not a semester-long project. You've already learned all the concepts in lesson 1 through 16. This is application. Each day you will complete 1 or 2 phases. By the end of day 4, you have a production-ready system you can add to your portfolio. These 6 datasets are richer and more realistic than what you used in earlier lessons. Properties have neighborhoods and coordinates. Technicians have locations so you can factor in travel distance. Work orders have complex descriptions that AIP logic will classify. Maintenance history gives you data for predictive scoring. The ontology is the heart of the system. 5 object types, all interconnected. A property has many work orders. A technician has many assigned work orders. A tenant lives in a property. Maintenance history is tied to a property and predicts future failures. Once you define this model, the entire system becomes. The dashboard is the ops team's command center. At a glance, they see system health. They can filter to see only emergency work orders or only HVAC jobs assigned to a specific technician. Click a work order to see full details, ontology-backed actions like approve, assign, and close, and the audit history. Everything is real-time. In phases 5 and 6, you are adding intelligence and extending beyond your ops team. The AIP agent lets operators ask questions in natural language. Automate makes the system responsive to new work. Code repositories provide scoring logic, and the tenant portal puts your system in customers' hands. This is the complete operational and customer-facing system. By the end of the capstone, you'll have built something you can show to employers, clients, or use as a foundation for a real project. You've gone from learning individual Foundry features to integrating them all into one cohesive production-grade system. That's the difference between understanding a tool and mastering it. You started 17 lessons ago knowing nothing about Foundry. Now you understand every major capability: data ingestion, pipelines, ontologies modeling, dashboards, AI agents, automation, code transforms, governance, and external app development. You're not just a data analyst or engineer, you're a Foundry architect who can design and build complete, intelligent operational systems. Welcome to the Foundry community. Finish your homework for lesson 17 and mark complete. I'll see you in the next lesson.